I'm Shamapti and welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how to take off makeup without damaging the skin. It is very important for you to take off the makeup every night gently and effectively, because if you fail to do that, it will lead to all the skin issues like dry skin, dull skin, you're gonna get rash, you might get pimples, your skin barrier can get damaged. So yeah, you have to be very careful there. And there are like makeup removers that can leave your skin really dry and dehydrated. We're gonna avoid that. And see, the best way to remove makeup is double cleansing. So let me start with that. So first step is to use the first cleanser. For that, I'll start with Bioderma Sensibio Lait. Lait is French for milk. This product cleanses the skin without disturbing the delicate acid mantle. It is a classic soothing makeup removing milk. The texture of this cream is really beautiful. It sprays like a dream. It has been mainly formulated for dry and sensitive skin, but I think it would work for all skin types. It does look delicate, but it is a gentle giant when it comes to removing makeup. It is really good. And when I saw this available in India, I bought it right there, and I have been using this for a while. I'm really enjoying it, and then the brand sent me this one. So I have two now. I'm really happy. So now let's come back to the performance of this cleansing milk. So this has very soft, very creamy texture, and yet it doesn't feel like heavy or doesn't feel sticky or greasy. It removes makeup, dirt, sunscreen quite effectively. This cleansing milk has ingredients like glycerin, squalane, vitamin E. Glycerin can be a really good humectant. It can really hydrate the skin. Squalane can improve the skin texture, and vitamin E can work as good antioxidant. And it's very easy to use this cleansing milk. So as the first step, you're gonna take some Bioderma cleansing milk on a cleansing pad. You also can use your fingertips, whatever you find to be more convenient. And then you're gonna gently wipe your skin with it, and you'll see the makeup, sunscreen and the dirt are coming off on the cleansing pad. And this cleansing milk is gentle enough to be taken over the eyes for breaking down even the most stubborn waterproof makeup, leaving the skin comfortable, soft and nourished. Also, it doesn't sting the eyes at all, or it doesn't irritate the skin at all. See how effective it is at its job. And sometimes I use this as a morning cleanser on its own. It works just fine. And the next step would be to use a foam based cleanser. For that, I'm using Bioderma Sensibio gel cleanser. It is a perfect second cleanser to remove any residue if there are any. And yeah, I have been using this for quite some time. It works really well, and I think it's gonna work for all skin types. So you're gonna massage this cleanser on your skin for 60 seconds. Then you're gonna rinse it off, and voila, you have clean, beautiful skin. And then the aftercare comes, which is very important as well, and this is very simple. For that, I'll be using Bioderma Tonique. It contains glycerin, allantoin. It hydrates and soothes the skin beautifully, leaving the skin well nourished and glowing. And then I have their Atoderm cream to moisturize the skin. It is a very affordable, no-nonsense moisturizer. It is very important for you to moisturize your skin each day for healthy skin barrier. And yeah, this moisturizer simply does the job quite beautifully. And yeah, that's all you need as post makeup skincare. It is effective yet simple. So yeah, the entire process of taking off the makeup should be really gentle, and it should include like tonguing, pulling of the skin, like that will leave your skin red, very irritated, because if you do this over and over again, it can be really bad. Initially you'll have dehydrated skin, then you can get skin irritation. In the long run, it will lead to like premature wrinkles, fine lines, and you want to avoid these things. So yeah, please do this in the right way. And yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and you can use my code SHAMAPTI5 to get 5% off on Bioderma products on the website. I'll be leaving the links in the description box. So yeah, I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.